Hi guys, this is Diane Hogarth here, Millionaire Mom. Affiliate marketing, what exactly does it mean? Well, affiliate marketing is selling a product and getting a commission without buying it in the first place. So it's nothing like network marketing where you have to buy the product to be able to promote it. It's a straight, if you promote my product, I'll give you, say, 50% of the profits. Okay, where can I find products, Diane, in my niche? So let me just share my screen and I'll show you. Okay, there are three main websites. One of them is called JVZoo. JVZoo has 1,000,001 products, different products. It has make money online products. And I've just done a search for weight loss products because it's either make money online or weight loss are the main things that, or beauty, people actually promote online. So if you would like a weight loss simplified mega pack, a weight loss crusher, lose 10 pounds naturally, there's ebooks you can get, look, promote paleo diet. Let's try this one. Paleo diet is quite it's quite a severe diet, but it's a good diet. So the sale price is $9.97 and you get like $6 out of 10. That's not really worth promoting, is it? You need something that's slightly more. You need something that's $50 or over. So let's go for this one. Okay, so that's $200 and you get 120. So that's more like a thing that you might want to promote. So if you would like to promote something on JVZoo, this can be on any niche and any topic that you like. Promoting, so you can't use slanderous word, profanity. Well, that's obviously. What you have to do is you say, I would like to promote your product and I'm going to promote it on social media. Okay. If you've got a Facebook group, great. If you've got a YouTube channel, even better, you can put that in there. And you put I'm not a robot and request. And within 24 to 48 hours, you can promote that product. So let's do another one. Find products. Let's do a make money online one. One second, it's a bit slow because I'm recording. Let's see if this is going to work. Okay, right then. So let's find products. Let's find an Instagram product, for example. So I'm going to put Instagram here. So that would be internet marketing, wouldn't it? Instagram. And then let's see if there's a subcategory. Whoops, today's it. Subcategory would be social media. Search. Because I know there's quite a few. I know Luke McGuire, he's quite amazing actually. He's Story Mate. Okay. There's an automatic story. So I've actually got some products by this guy. So you can get 50% of 67 is 33.50. So that's more what you want to do. So I've actually got permission to do this. So you get your links. Let me just show you. This link here is not allowed on Facebook. This one here. If you put that on a message in Facebook, it won't go through. So you have, if you want to, this is called a raw link. So if you want to be able to share it on social media, you have to put lots of spaces in between a couple of the blocks. Or the best way to do it is get a capture page and capture somebody's email on the first. So the link that they're looking at is the capture page link, and the second link they're looking at is the sales page, or maybe you've put it in an email. So how to actually promote this, I'm going to do tomorrow. This is just where to get the leads from, what sort of leads, and then I will do the rest on a separate video, because it comes under automation and capture pages. So I'll do that tomorrow. But this is how you get your affiliate links. JVZoo is a good one. Let me just show you another two. Warrior Plus is another good one, which you can join. Same sort of thing. And also ClickBank. I can't spell it. ClickBank. So if you want any products to actually promote, those are the top three: ClickBank, JVZoo, and Warrior Plus. So I'll see you on the next video tomorrow, promise. And that's it for today, guys. Click the link below and subscribe and hit the notifications button. And if you enjoyed this video on YouTube, just say, hey Di, you rock, thanks a lot, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye. Oops, a daisy.